Hello friends, welcome to I Cook and Paint. Thank you all so much for watching. Well, I just had a really fun day of painting, and now I'm relaxing with a spicy cup of masala chai. I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch, and once you see how easy it is, you'll become hooked. I'm also going to show you how you can turn your masala chai into a chai latte using a French press. I didn't know a French press could do that. Anyway, first we need to do the chai. It's really easy to make. You don't need anything really fancy. In fact, all it is tea steeped in spicy water, and those spices are cinnamon, black peppercorn, clove, and green cardamoms, which I've split open. You always want to do that to release their flavors. I'm going to add these to 1.5 cups of water. This is enough for 1 to 2 people. You're also going to need some fresh ginger, and right here I have about 2 teaspoons. You don't need to peel it as long as you wash it really well. So this gets added with the spices, and you can vary this recipe however you want. There's no set way to make masala chai. Bring this to a boil and let the flavors cook out of the spices and the ginger. Lower it to a simmer and keep a cover on it. You only need to simmer it for about 5 minutes, but if you let it go longer, your tea will be more spicy. So I usually simmer it for more like 7 or 8 minutes. And then now it's time to add the tea bag. Traditionally, black tea is used for masala chai, so I'm just using a generic brand of orange pekoe. You could use an herbal tea as long as it's mild in flavor. So in that goes, and you want to cover it. Now, the ideal time to steep tea is 4 minutes, but if you like your tea a little stronger, feel free to leave it in longer. I always do. Finally, you add some milk and honey, and you could leave these ingredients out, but I don't recommend it. So add it according to your taste, and that's pretty much it. Strain it into a cup or a serving vessel. Nearly every household in India drinks this for breakfast, and I can't blame them. Now, I'm not a big fan of lattes, but I am going to show you how you can turn this into a chai latte using a French press. Now, they say that you should have double the milk to tea when making a real latte. That seems like a little much for me, so I use way less than that. Right here, I've added the honey, but not the milk, and I'm straining the tea right into the French press. Now, to do the latte, you definitely have to heat up the milk. Even though I should be adding at least a 1-to-1 ratio of milk to tea, I'm using way less, only half a cup of milk. I'm still gonna get a really nice foam. I just don't like my tea too milky, not even for a latte. Once the hot milk goes in, you can start foaming it, and you do that exactly like you see here. Bob the strainer part of the French press up and down on the surface. You're gonna be amazed that within a few short seconds, you get your own homemade version of a barista-style chai latte. Look at that! Way better than the ones you get from you know where. So tell me, what are you gonna do? Make the masala chai or the chai latte? Let me know, and don't forget to click the link underneath this video for the complete printable recipe. That'll take you to my blog at icookandpaint.com, where you can check out more of my recipes and see my paintings. Hey you guys, I had a great time as always. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you soon.